Hey guys, it's your friend Dark here. Just wanted to get a great message out to you guys. I know a lot of y'all have been having a difficult time to get out to these vaccination centers, and want to let all of you know that these great companies that are just, thank God for them, they're our savior, are actually like Uber. They're actually providing free ride services to and from vaccination centers. And it's so gracious of them. And I wonder, what type of for-profit companies would be willing to make sacrifices that large, to offer free services to every single American to get to vaccination centers to and from for free. What type of for-profit companies would be willing to just sink millions of dollars? And it just makes you think, God bless these companies that are just making these selfless acts, losing millions and millions of dollars across the country. I am sure that there is no other reason and or purpose that they're offering that, So, I would say everyone, grab your Starbucks rewards card and your, Amazon Prime membership, and strap them up. Call your Uber Black. Get your Uber Black to take you by vaccination center. Maybe see if you can get a venti caramel ribbon frappuccino, and see if they'll even pop you by Whole Foods. No charge. It's just great to see it, man. It's just like right now it's commonplace for people to just be so focused on themselves, and it's just so great to see a company that's just willing to lose net negative millions of dollars, all for the good of mankind. Holy fuck. There is a motherfucking locust on my motherfucking leg. I had no fucking idea that cocksucker was there. Jesus Christ. You been smoking, bro? Your eyes are red. How long was that motherfucker there? Y'all couldn't say anything? You couldn't let a motherfucking know? Hey, Locust, Cicada, whatever. Did you know that you can get a free ride from Uber to get a vaccine? Huh? Did you know? Did you know, buddy? No. You're just gonna go shed your skin somewhere and go try to make babies. These little guys right here, they live underground for 13 to 17 years. And they feed off of... Oh, back up. Bro, come on. They feed off of tree sap, off of the roots of trees, underground. And I just find that to be very interesting. So, anyway, I'm going to grab this little guy here and set him free, so he can go on his journey, and y'all take care, okay? Love you guys. I'll see y'all soon. Bye.